Yo, what's up? It's Dave from Digital Marketing Mentorship with Dave Gamble, as well as the Unleash the Awesome podcast. And all of you watching this right now know that you need to have a better presence online. You need to figure out how to get your stuff online, how to attract leads, how to sell your stuff. But I know you get frustrated because you don't know how to build an online sales funnel. You're not sure about the technology. You're not sure about the steps and the techniques and the skills that are required. And I'm here to tell you, my friend Russell Brunson has something amazing happening starting October 10th that you do not want to miss. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen so you can check it out. It's called the Your First Funnel Challenge. Yeah, let me try that again. Your First Funnel Challenge. And what he's going to do is show you in just 5 days how to take your idea and get it online and be successful with it, where a lot of people struggle, right? If you've listened to me for any period of time, you know that you need the right mindset, you need the skill set, and you need the tool set. A lot of people have the mindset they want to get started, but they're not sure the skills that are required to make it happen. And then they don't know the tools that they need. Well, thankfully, Russell and Todd and the team at Clickfunnels have built Clickfunnels 2.0, which is going to help you immensely. But if you go to gamble.com/YFF, that's my affiliate link for the Your First Funnel Challenge. You're going to go to this website. You're going to see all the great stuff here. There'll be a countdown timer. By the time you're watching this, it may not be 6 days from now. It could be just a little bit from now. You'll see a video here from Russell and Daymond John, but I want to show you all this stuff and all the guests they're going to have. Tons of guests that are going to teach you during this free challenge. It's not going to cost you anything. And you're going to get a 30-day trial to Clickfunnels, Clickfunnels 2.0, which is pretty amazing. So day one, they're going to cover funnel hacking, which is really just reverse engineering what's already working in the marketplace. So you look at what's already happening in your niche or in the marketplace and say, okay, if this is working for them, it could probably work for me. And then you model, it's not stealing, you model the way they're putting stuff out there, the way they're making it happen. So day one, he's going to cover that. Day two, they're going to talk about your first funnel, and they're going to go through some of the things you need to think about. Selling things online is a little bit different than selling them in person. And there's some things you want to do, some steps you want to take to make it happen. And there's nobody better to teach you this than Russell Brunson. Day three is going to go through hook, story, offer, which for a lot of people, they can get their stuff online and maybe it's a really good product, maybe it's a really good service, but they don't have a way to draw people in and actually sell them that thing. They don't know the right words to wrap around their offer and the stories they need to tell and the hook to get them in. Russell's going to teach you hook, story, offer. Then irresistible ads. So even if you don't have an email list, which I recommend you start building your email list, and they're certainly going to talk about that in this challenge a little bit, but even if you wanted to start from scratch and run some ads to your offer, one of the things you got to make sure you have is an offer that converts. And then they're going to talk about how to run some ads to that offer, which can get you a nice quick jump start. And then do it now. There's a way to get started. Russell's got a mindset hack he's going to teach. He's going to show you how to do an offer stack, which is pretty critical. And he does it pretty well on this site, by the way, if you want to funnel hack that. Then you just go ahead and join the challenge. Again, it starts October 10th. But look, you're going to get all this other stuff. Check out all these bonuses. When you use my affiliate link, look at what you're going to get. Learning from all of these people: Dean Graziosi, Grant Cardone, Gianna Kutcher, Russell Brunson, Myron Golden, Travis Chambers, and a whole bunch of other people. And I hear some of you saying, I don't have something to sell right now. I'm not sure what to do. I have some ideas. I don't have a product. I don't have a service necessarily I want to sell. Like, how do I get started? You can actually promote affiliate stuff, which a lot of you know is what I do for a fair amount of my business. There's going to be a bonus that shows you specifically how to do that, which is pretty amazing. You don't need to have a product or a service to get started with this. Bonus 3, look at all these people in this lineup here, especially Perry Belcher. You got Jeff Walker, you got Dan Henry, the King of Challenges, Pedro Adeo, and look, Brendan Burchard, among other people. So you're going to learn from all of those people. Again, it starts October 10th. Come to this website, gamble.com/here. I'll put it on the screen for you so you can see it better. Gamble.com/YFF. You can get access to it. And wherever you happen to be watching this, I'll make sure it's in the description or the comments so you can go check it out. But go look at it. I was at Funnel Hacking Live last week. They gave me a sneak peek at Clickfunnels 2.0, which you're going to get a 30-day trial for this. And they've made so many major improvements. There's new payment gateways. There's new built-in CRM. You can send your emails directly from the platform. No need to hook it up to another platform anymore. There's a much better membership experience. So if you want to create a membership group for continuity programs, things like that, it's really, really good on the platform, and all kinds of other stuff that I can't get into because there's just so many new changes that make it better. Think about the things that you didn't like about the original They fixed all of those and then some and added a whole bunch of other stuff. So you're going to get a 30-day trial to ClickFunnels 2.0 to implement all of this stuff you're learning, and then get going, get your thing going, and finally get your thing online. And for a lot of you, maybe this, next year is the year. Maybe 2023 is the year you finally want to make it happen. Now would be a great time to get the foundation set up, get things going, start testing some of your offers, start testing some of your ads. So when January rolls around, instead of you having to start from scratch to have an amazing 2023, you're ready to go. You have a foundation built, set, and ready, and you can get things going. And if you happen to have some time off from your day job during the holidays, that'll give you some more time to dig in. Maybe you have a couple days off around Thanksgiving. Maybe you have some time off around Christmas, Hanukkah, end of the year, New Year's, whatever. It would be really cool. Imagine how cool this would be to get your stuff, get your foundation built, and then have some time to tweak and play with it over the next month or two so that you're ready to go and launch your new stuff. Because I know a lot of you are speakers, trainers, coaches, consultants, and a big opportunity happens right around the first of the year when everybody's setting their new goals and have their new things going on. They want to have success in the new year, and you want to coach them through that. Maybe you have a program, maybe you have a course, maybe you have a membership group. It'd be really neat to have that online. So again, if you just go to gamble.com/YFF for your first funnel, you'll get access to the challenge. It's free. There's all kinds of other stuff in there you can get access to if you want, and as well as the ClickFunnels 2.0 trial. You do not want to miss this. Trust me. I spending all week with them last week, and I know some of the people behind the scenes, so I know even some stuff that's going on that you're not going to see on that page. There's some really cool surprises and other things coming that you do not want to miss it. Russell is really good. Russell Brunson is really good at over-delivering on stuff. And so this is something you want to make sure you're a part of. Again, you can go right there, gamble.com/YFF, and get access. And you'll get all those bonuses and all kinds of other stuff. And I look forward to seeing you in the inside because they have a Facebook group and I'm already in there. And so I'll see you as you come in. So make sure if you join the challenge through me, you tag me in your comments or your introduction when you're in the group, because I want to see you there, because I want to be able to encourage people and answer any of your questions and kind of be like an accountability partner with you to make sure that you get this thing going. All right. See you on the inside.